Hi there. In this video, we're going to be looking at the text case transformations available to you in Power Query. So we're here in simple toolbar transformations.xlsx, and we're in the text case sheet. Here's the data we're going to work with, so let's click on it and go to the Power Query tab in the ribbon and go to Get Data from Table. Okay, so what we have here is a fairly common situation. We've got a bunch of what looks to be last and first names. Unfortunately, they're all in a pure uppercase format, and maybe that's what we want. Oftentimes you'll see data stored that way, but maybe it's not what you want. So let's look at some transformations we could use to sort of possibly clean that up. So let's click on this, head over to Add Columns. We're going to click on the Format tab, and let's say that we want it instead all in lowercase. Well, we can click on that, and it'll convert all the uppercase letters to lowercase letters. Well, I don't think either one is particularly correct, although I guess this one's a little less hard on the eyes. It doesn't seem quite so much like yelling. So maybe that's better. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's click on this again. Let's say instead of that, what we want is we want something like this, where we capitalize each word. This is equivalent to the proper function in Excel. So what this does is it goes through, and for every single word, every single thing between spaces, it'll capitalize the first letter, and then make all the other letters lowercase. So this looks pretty good, although there is one sort of gotcha with this function. If you look here at McCoy, Lance, well, my guess would be that McCoy, the second C here, should be capitalized. So this function, or this transformation, is pretty nice in that it can make things look a whole lot better, but it's not perfect, because sometimes there will be situations where there really should be a capitalized letter within a word, and this transformation will not capture that. But in general, it's still pretty useful. Okay, so let's say that we've got this, and let's say this is what we actually get, and what we want to do is we want this version of it. So we can come up here to Format and do Uppercase to get all uppercase. All right, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you next video.